Hi students and friends, welcome to the channel Learn and Teach by Sir Ayaz. I will continue the video lesson for the topic identification of ions. I have already explained the test and results for all cations. The learning outcomes for this video lesson are same, that is describe, test using aqueous sodium hydroxide and aqueous ammonia to identify the aqueous cations Al3 plus calcium, Ca2 plus and zinc Zn2 plus. Describe test using aqueous sodium hydroxide and aqueous ammonia to identify the aqueous cations chromium 3, Cr3 plus, copper 2, Cu2 plus, iron 2, Fe2 plus and iron 3, Fe3 plus. Now I'm showing you how you can write the ionic equation between the salt of aluminium and sodium hydroxide. I'm taking aluminum chloride salt for this reaction. You know the formula of aluminum chloride, that will be AlCl3. First, you will write the balanced reaction equation between aluminum chloride and sodium hydroxide. Don't forget the state symbols here, as it will help you in construction of final ionic equation. The equation will be like this. You will get, this is an example of double displacement reaction. So you will get what? You will get AlOH whole thrice plus NaOH. So I will write the state symbols here. You are having aqueous. Aqueous. The product is solid, and no, this is not the product. I will write the product again. AlOH O twice solid plus NaCl aqueous. Look at this equation carefully and count the number of atoms for each element. The best way to do is to make column like this. You can make a column on right side like this for reactants and products. On reactant product side, we have same elements. We have Al, Cl, Na, O, and H. Put a line like this. Count the number of atoms on each side. You'll find this. Al, 1 on both sides of the equation. Or what chlorine? Chlorine is 3 on right reactant side, but 1 on product side. Na is 1 on both sides of the equation. O is 1 on reactant side, but 3 on the product side. Hydrogen, 1 on reactant side, 3 on the product side. Both Al and Na are balanced in this equation. Al and Na are balanced. But ClO, O, and H, they are unbalanced. What if you place a 3 before NaCl on product side? Then the equation will become like this. AlCl3 plus, I'm not writing the state symbol as I am balancing the equation. AlOH whole thrice NaCl. If we write 3 here, what will happen? We can become like this. Now Na become unbalanced on product side. On reactant side, it become unbalanced. Write 3 here. It's 1 on the reactant side. So what if you will write a 3 before NaOH? In this way, we'll be able to balance the whole equation. Now the whole equation is balanced. If you want, you can count the number of atoms on each side and find they are balanced. Now write the ionic equation for this reaction. You know the rule. You know that this is aqueous. This is also aqueous. This is solid, and this one is aqueous. So, but first of all, you write the ions for aqueous state only. You'll get this: Al plus 3 aqueous plus 3Cl, not Cl3, minus aqueous plus 3Na positive aqueous plus 3OH minus aqueous product side. Leave it like this as it is in the solid state, AlOH whole 3 solid, and we have 3Na plus aqueous, 3Cl minus aqueous. So cancel out the common or spectator ions on both sides of the equation. You know, these are the spectator ions, these are common, Na plus, Cl minus. So in the end, you will get this. This will be the final equation. Al plus 3 aqueous plus 3OH minus aqueous gives AlOH whole thrice solid. This is your final final equation. So here's the question for you. I will solve the first one for you. Construct the chemical and ionic equation for the reaction between sodium hydroxide and copper 2 chloride, sodium hydroxide and iron 3 chloride. First, you will write the balanced reaction equation between sodium hydroxide and copper 2 chloride. Don't forget the state symbols. Sodium hydroxide is NaOH, aqueous, CuCl2. What you will get? Cu is carrying +2 charge. Cl belongs to group 7. It must carry -1. Ignore their charges. These become subscripts. Subscripts will be exchanged and you will get CuCl2 plus CuCl2 aqueous. The product will be CuOH whole twice solid plus NaCl. The equation is not balanced. The same way you can do this by making a column on right hand side of the page for reactant and product. We have the elements, atoms of the elements NaOH, Cu, Cl. Count the number of atoms on each side. Na, 1 on both sides. O, 1 on reactant side but 2 on product side. Hydrogen, 1 on reactant side, 2 on product side. Cu, 1 on both sides of the equation. Cl, 1 on the reactant side and 1 on the product side. Now, if you look at this equation, these all are balanced. Na is balanced, Cu is balanced, Cl is balanced. But O and H, they are unbalanced. Both of these are unbalanced. So you need to balance these. So what if I'll put 2 before NaOH in order to balance O, oxygen and hydrogen on the product side? The equation will become like this: 2 NaOH aqueous plus CuCl2 aqueous gives CuOH whole twice plus NaCl aqueous. Now, sodium become unbalanced on the product side. These two will be balanced now. So on 2 on the reactant side, and sodium will be 2, so it will be unbalanced on the product side. So what if I'll put 2 before NaCl on the product side? The equation become like this: NaOH, 2 NaOH aqueous plus CuCl2 aqueous gives CuOH whole twice solid plus 2 NaCl aqueous. If you count the number of atoms, each atoms are balanced in this. Now write the ionic equation for this one. Remember, do not open the compound which is in the solid state. So you'll get this: 2Na plus aqueous plus 2OH negative aqueous plus Cu plus 2 aqueous plus 2Cl negative, not Cl2, aqueous. It gives 2Na plus aqueous plus 2Cl negative aqueous, and the other product is CuOH whole twice solid. Cancel out the spectator ions. In this, we are having Na and Cl negative. So the final ion equation will be like this: 2OH minus aqueous plus Cu plus 2 aqueous, and the product will be CuCl2 solid. This will be the final ionic equation for this one. I want you to try this by yourself. Try it by yourself. If you need any assistance, just write in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Press like, give comments, and share my video. For more videos, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.